Hello everyone and welcome to EMK's Coin of the Month. Now I've got to be honest with you guys, today is a bit of a flashback here. This is a coin that is slightly older than our past coins of the month, but we found it in the vault and we just had to get it out and show you. So as you can see, this is from the South African Mint. I've already opened all of the safety seal there in order to get the coin out. You can just see the table there had a bit of a wobble once I put this coin down, and that's what we're talking about here today. This is such a massive coin. Both in the design, the theme, and of course the size of this coin itself. Now, once we start getting into the package, you can see that it comes in the really high quality wooden box from the South African Mint. You've got the South African Mint logo on the top there, the emblem, and it just got that beautiful shine to it. I mean, you can already see the quality of this product before even getting inside. The way it's all encased and packaged should show you how special, speaking of special, it is. So there we go. We've got a quick little hint at the size of the coin we're going to be looking at today. But we will try and look at the info that's also provided with the product. Love that personal card, by the way, from the South African Mint. Always nice. We've got some extra info there on the coin itself, and of course all of the info that comes with the coin. We've got all of that wonderful South African Mint logos. Their business style is across the board at that high quality. Now the product itself, it is the Big 5 series. It's actually, I believe, the first issue of the new Big 5 series, which is very exciting. Now, of course, I say the first issue, but that was in 2021. So we've since then had more coins from this wonderful series. The Big 5, if you don't know, it is the Big 5 animals of Africa. So we're talking elephant, lion, buffalo, rhino, and leopard. And they are considered to be the ambassadors of South Africa, if you like, which is very special. This coin, I don't know what I'm more excited about, the size itself, or the fact that the South African Mint is still able, regardless of the coin size, to carry on all of the details throughout the sizes of the coin. So if you're comparing a 1 ounce version of this very same piece to this 1 kilo, and you can see by the size of my hand how large it is, the quality is still the same. It's still that high quality across the board. So here we go. We're just getting a little look at the coin through the capsule. This is a world premiere. It was the first 1 kilo silver coin from the South African Mint, which is phenomenal, hence why it's such a big coin now. Just get that one out of the capsule. Fantastic. And have a closer look, of course. Oh, look at that. Chunky. Gotta love that size. It's just phenomenal. It's so hard to hold. Oh my goodness. Let's get a little bit closer. Here we go. Now, this is a 5 rand coin, of course, the face value of 5 rand, 1 kilo, as I mentioned, and 39 silver. Now, what I'm talking about, the details, you can still see the minuscule parts of hair, bits of hair that are on this elephant. And it still looks just as high quality in regards to the detail as a 1 ounce would. It's absolutely phenomenal. There we've got all the information again. South Africa Big 5 2021, and there's that elephant on the front looking so strong there. What a great representative for South Africa and the country itself. A lot of pride in there. But just the shine on this is phenomenal. So fantastic. Now, I should mention that this did have a limited mintage of 100 pieces worldwide. As you can see, it does have the numbered certificate. You get the original wooden box with the product, but just the coin itself, so cool. So cool. Really nice. And of course, it's got that fantastic obverse where if you actually had more than 1 coin, you could put them side by side and you would have a pride of elephants. Because of the way of the design, they do match up and join up to the others like a little puzzle piece. Very cool. And as always, this product is available at www.emk.com.